Good morning, guys. It is Wednesday. Let's start off this video actually showing you guys another live withdrawal from my pro accounts with Take Profit Trader. Have an absolutely incredible week with this. And then I'm going to go over and show you guys, give you some of the best education about drawing boxes on your chart, how to draw them, but more importantly, not only are you able to take breaks when we break above, but I want to show you how you can actually get in probably 10 or 20 points actually sooner than this. So stick around for a second and let's do this right now. Guys, let's shoot over to Take Profit Trader. Now over here, you guys, this is the live pro account that I have. I'm going to do a withdrawal right now. I'll go and actually refresh the screen just so you guys know this is real and live and actually going on. I'm going to go and do withdrawal actually for $900 today, guys. 900. So this is going to go through with a split that's on here. 720 is coming to the bank. Let's request it out right now. You guys can see that done. So that is another withdrawal. That's the third withdrawal this week. Guys, that'll probably be the last one that I show live here on YouTube because I want this to not be about just Justin, but I want this to be about education, right? So real quick before we go to the charts, all these metrics are available that I'm going to go over here in a second. This is the bread and butter of how I'm able to make my decisions. NinjaTrader and also TradingView is available right away. Now, real quick, just so you guys know, every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, I actually have an affiliate, Ron, who goes live scalping and trading right in front of you so you guys can follow along with the education. And then I, of course, do a free call with myself, the founder, every first and third Friday of the month, completely free for anyone who goes over to Take Profit Trader. If you grab 50K accounts using this link or just type in My Future Success as a promo code, you're going to get absolutely the best discounts possible. And you're add-on to those calls for life. But you guys, let's give you the education now. Now that you saw the withdrawal, taking into account from eval to pro to payout, how am I making my decisions? And guys, this morning, this market is absolutely rocketing straight up. Now, there's two entries that I'll be looking at on playing long. Now, this is the main entry that you'll be looking for, looking at the larger amount of consolidation. But I want to take this one step further and actually dissect this a little bit to show you how you could actually enter it in here, which would have made you another, let's take a look here real quick. Just from this trade, this would have made you an additional 39 to 40 points, and then you had the continuation higher, right? So how am I doing this? How am I looking at this? What I want you to do is whenever you have indecision in the market, now this is a little bit after market open, so what you can do is you can wait. This is the 1 minute time frame. I'm doing this specifically on the 1 minute time frame because this is the time frame that Ron trades during the live sessions Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I specifically like to trade the 3 minute time frame to slow things down a bit, but this is great education. Use this on any time frame though. This doesn't matter what time frame you're on. When you get these highs and these lows, from right here to here, this is where you draw your box from the top to the bottom and you just extend it right. That's all you have to do. When you end up getting these big spikes, wait. You want to wait for an either indecision or a breakthrough. Now, what you can see coming down here, money momentum started shifting all the way up, right? So we're steadily increasing. We're also making a higher low overall. Now, if you guys follow me, I love a candle pattern where you can play indecision doji candles and the breaks above them out of levels of consolidation. So how were you able to enter in right here and make 40 points extra before someone could have potentially entered here and then been up probably close to 80 to 100 points? Well, this is another consolidation. When you end up getting doji candles like this, right? This is where I want you to draw your box from the top of the wick to the bottom and extend it. The moment you have a breakthrough from this, this can be your entry. And what you can do with this, I have a lot of traders where they actually just trail their stop. So they'll end up putting their stop. You know me, every video that I do for you guys, I put my stop loss right below the candle I enter, and then I either bring it to break even right away when I'm up a certain amount, or I'll end up trailing it below and following it the entire way up. So this breakout candle right here is actually your entry. So what I want you to do is actually place a limit order when you break above this candle, and this is where you can see it trail. So right now, if we take a look at this, from entry all the way up to literally live conditions right now, and I'll actually show you guys why I would have actually exited this position right here, because this is actually our rejection candle. This is currently up 100 points exactly. So how could you have made 100 points this morning? Well, let's go over this again and just keep going. So if you didn't take out 100, I'm going to show you how to probably take about 60. When you break through this, there's a couple things that need to be in line. I want you to make sure that your background is completely green, your profit wave is stacked with the brighter color on top, more faint on the bottom, and I want you to make sure that you have that green dot here. Worst case scenario, your entry is this candle right here. Because why is it this candle? Well, you drew your box out. This is consolidation. We're making a higher low. We broke through. Right there, right at the end of this candle close is your entry. Green, 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 and green. You guys see how everything is green? Well, let's take a look at that. Well, let's say worst case scenario, you end up entering right here. Well, we go up, we play it back over. I'm going to show you exactly why I would have got out right here. What is that? 56 points. I don't think you're going to be upset with 56 points. All right. So let's go over this. Why would I have got out over here? Well, if I know a continuational trade in a breakout is a good point to enter when you have these indecision dojis and you break above, isn't that the same for a reversal going down? Yeah, it actually is. So if you look at these white dots, one of the most powerful things with these metrics, it stayed above 50% of all these candles this entire time, right? Boom, 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 boom. You had indecision. This candle right here. This is where, when you get a break below this, you want to exit out of your long position going up because you can see the decrease down. So doing so, this actually saved you, if you had got out either closer to this bottom side, probably would have saved you quite a bit. You know, if we had exit right here instead of down at the bottom, you know, save yourself 18 to 20 points. I'd rather save you guys 18 to 20 points. Now, this continues to shift down. Great, you can play it down. But get used to doing a couple things with this. Get used to drawing out boxes on your charts, waiting for area of consolidation and playing the break above that. If you can spot the indecision that's within the indecision, that's great as well. I know it's a bit more advanced. Play this candle that breaks through. And then right above, you can place it and you can trail your stop this entire time. I was not able to personally take this trade this morning. I'm just now getting on doing this video, and I want to show you guys the live withdrawal. But this was an A+ quality setup using these metrics to an absolute T, where worst case scenario, you get out of this. Let's not even draw the box. Let's take this down to very, very beginner basics. Where is your entry on this trade? Your entry is right here. Actually, right on this candle. It could have been here, but I think this one visually. And why? It's just doing one thing. Green, 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 and green. That's it. Green background, strong green, bullish Hiekin Ashi candle, which means a wick at the top, bottom has to be flat, profit wave is stacked, brighter on the top, more faint on the bottom, and a green dot. You just do that. Guys, look at this. Check this out. Right here, profit wave stacked, red, what happened? Big flush down. Right here, profit wave stacked, green, increase. Profit wave stacked, green, increase. I'm not kidding you guys. That is all I have a lot of traders doing, and they're seeing success. This is how you're going to be taking your accounts from eval to pro to payout that I've been showing you guys this entire week. So hopefully not only did you get education on how to draw these boxes, but even more simply speaking, just how to spot your perfect A+ setups using these metrics. And when you get into some profit, guys, the things that have made me the most successful with these pro accounts and do withdrawals is when I get into profit, I move my stop loss to break even, so I'm guaranteed something. I let it run, and I trail my stop below that you guys seen done in the last 5, 10 videos in the past 3 years. And when you get to a level of support or resistance, take it out and just secure profit, get in and out, get paid, and get done for the day. So I hope you guys found a lot of education in this video. Take care. God bless.